So we will continue what we were doing yesterday. So as I said, yesterday we discussed 2 questions. Today we are going to discuss 6 more questions. So you will need these 4 things as I told you yesterday. You will need your notebooks, pen and pencil, Snow White story का PDF अगर नहीं भी है तो भी चलेगा. And last thing that you need is critical thinking skills. Can someone tell me what are critical thinking skills? हमने कल discuss किया था. कल you use this. Raise your virtual hand to tell me. Arsia is raising hand. Okay, 3 participants have raised. Arsia, wait, I know you know. I want to see who all other are. Shushti has raised and Shashwat has raised. Okay, Shashwat, first you share.
Critical thinking is that we can do.
Yes, you can do critical thinking. Correct. Wonderful. But what do you do? In critical thinking, what do you do? अब करते क्या हो? Thinking.
No.
Okay. You know, you're just not able to say. ठीक है. Thank you, Shashwat. Shushti, go ahead. Shushti, share. What do you understand by critical thinking skills? Shushti? Yeah.
Critical thinking skills means when we think about right things on our opinion, it is called critical thinking skills.
Perfect. When we share, when we think, is this right? When we question things, yeah, when we are thinking कि ये सही है कि नहीं, कोई बहुत obvious चीज हो सकती है, but we are thinking about it, क्या ये सही है कि नहीं है, and then we make our opinion about it. That means we are critically thinking. Yes. Thank you so much, Shrishti, for that. Arsa, you have something to add to that? Something you want to add to the Shrishti's and Shashwat's answer?
Yes, miss.
Tell me.
Critical thinking is that we have to think and we have to, if someone tell the answer, so if we have the question, so we can ask it, and so that is also called critical thinking. So, and also if we said something wrong and we think about it and tell it, so that is also, and that's it.
Perfect, Arshia. Very nicely summed up. So किसने कोई answer दिया, and you think that answer is not right, or you think it is right, but still you have a question and you ask that question, you are thinking critically. That is correct. Yeah. Wonderful, Arshia. Everyone knows what critical thinking is. Okay. Perfect. Good. So we will practice some more today. We will continue yesterday's objective. The objective for today is we will be able to make our opinions. हम हमारे ओपिनियन बना पाएंगे, हम क्या सोचते हैं, हमारी राय क्या है वो हम बना पाएंगे, एंड वी विल बी एबल टू शेयर आवर पर्सपेक्टिव. ओपिनियन एंड पर्सपेक्टिव आर सिमिलर थिंग्स. पर्सपेक्टिव होता है व्यू ऑफ अ पॉइंट, हमारा नजरिया क्या है चीजें देखने का, तो हम वो शेयर कर पाएंगे बाय मेकिंग कनेक्शंस. कनेक्शंस हम कैसे मेक करेंगे राज? या कैसे कनेक्शंस मेक करेंगे? कल हमने कनेक्शंस मेक किया था. शेयर करो, कम ऑन, क्लास में आए ना, शेयर करो. कनेक्शंस कैसे बनाएंगे हम? कल हमने सेकंड क्वेश्चन में कनेक्शन बनाया था. Archie and Shushti are raising hand. Okay, Raj, come on, very quickly.
By taking opinion.
By taking opinion, यानी कि किसी की राय लेकर नहीं. कल सेकंड क्वेश्चन था कि किंग का रोल सिर्फ एक लाइन का ही क्यों था पूरी स्टोरी में, कि जो स्नो वाइट के फादर थे उन्होंने दूसरी शादी कर ली, तो उसमें हमने क्या कनेक्शन बनाया था? उसमें हमने कनेक्शन बनाया था हमारी खुद की लाइफ से. हमने सोचा था कि हमारे पापा भी तो पूरे दिन काम पे रहते हैं, तो उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता, तो हमने हमारी लाइफ का कनेक्शन बनाया था स्नो वाइट की लाइफ से. यस, दोनों कनेक्शन, हमारी लाइफ, स्नो वाइट की लाइफ. हमने हमारी लाइफ में आके सोचा कि ओ मेरे पापा हमेशा बाहर रहते हैं, काम पे रहते हैं, तो वो बहुत बिजी रहते हैं, इसलिए उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता। तो स्नो वाइट के पापा तो किंग है, तो उनके पास तो बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं होगा। हमने ऐसे कनेक्शन बनाया, राइट? तो कंपेयर करना, खुद की लाइफ से कंपेयर कर सकते हो, या फिर हो सकता है आपने कोई और स्टोरी पढ़ी होती है, you might have read some another story, so connecting that story and this story to find the answer, that is making connections. Okay, and the rule is very 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 important, most important rule for today: participate, participate and participate. Yes, Misbah.
मानसी दीदी वो पर पर्सपेक्टिव
Perspective.
का मतलब क्या था, भूल गया मैं।
Thank you so much for asking, Misbah. Wonderful, wonderful. I really like it. That takes us to the this slide where I've written here. नीचे देखो, ठीक है? सबसे पहले ओपिनियन देखो। ओपिनियन का मतलब क्या होता है? राय, जजमेंट। मैं क्या सोचता हूँ किसी चीज के बारे में, वो ओपिनियन है। पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होता है? पर्सपेक्टिव होता है किसी भी चीज को देखने का नजरिया। मैं किस चीज को कैसे देखता हूँ, मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है। मतलब सपोज मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ, ये कॉफी का मग है, ठीक है? अगर मैं एक एग्जाम्पल से आपको पर्सपेक्टिव समझाऊं, मेरे को इस मग का ये वाला साइड दिख रहा है, ठीक है? मेरे को ये साइड दिख रहा है, आप उधर बैठे हो क्योंकि कैमरा उस साइड है, और आपको ये वाला साइड दिख रहा है। सेम चीज है, बट क्या हमें सेम कप अलग अलग दिख रहा है? हाँ मिसबा बताओ। मेरे को इस साइड से दिख रहा है, तो अगर इधर कोई फोटो होगी तो आपको नहीं दिखेगी, बट इधर अगर कोई फोटो होगी तो मुझे नहीं दिखेगी। तो सेम कप है, बट क्या हम दोनों को डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चीजें दिख रही है?
यस।
सेम। तो इसको सेम चीज हम बोलेंगे। कोई अगर बात भी होती है, सपोज यू एंड योर सिबलिंग इज फाइटिंग, आपके और आपकी भाई या बहन की फाइट हो रही है, ठीक है? या वो यंगर सिस्टर, तो आप दोनों की फाइट हो रही है। अब आप बोलते हो कि नहीं ये ऐसा है, और वो बोलती है नहीं ये ऐसा है। दोनों बहुत बार अलग अलग बोलते हो, सेम चीज के बारे में ही दोनों अलग अलग बोलते हो जो मम्मी पूछती है। तो आप दोनों, और हो सकता है आप दोनों सच बोल रहे हो, आप दोनों को एक्चुअल में जो लग रहा है वो सच हो, तो वो आप दोनों का पर्सपेक्टिव डिफरेंट है। एक ही चीज को देखने का नजरिया अलग अलग है। समझा पर्सपेक्टिव का मतलब?
यस।
आप किस चीज को कैसे देखते हो, ठीक है? दैट्स पर्सपेक्टिव। अब हो सकता है कभी कभार सेम चीज को देखने का नजरिया, पर्सपेक्टिव दो लोगों का सेम हो, वो भी हो सकता है, डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है, सेम भी हो सकता है। बट पर्सपेक्टिव का मतलब होता है हम किस चीज को किस तरीके से देखते हैं, क्या समझते हैं। ऑलराइट, with that let's move forward. I hope everyone yesterday saw Snow White ka movie. Did you all see it? Give me thumbs up if you saw the movie yesterday after the class. Okay. Arsia is raising hand. Yes, Arsia.
Miss, my mother deleted that message in night.
Oh, ठीक है, you could have texted me. I would have sent you again. Anyway, I'll send you. Okay, so we discussed these two questions yesterday. We will move on to the third question. This is slightly easier. Who will read out for me? Ria. Ria, can you read out this question for me? You have not answered yet.
Miss, I am saying, would you ever enter a stranger's house and stay there without their permission?
Read नीचे का भी. Read second line also. Ria, read second line also.
Do you think Snow White should have done that? How do you think this is connected to consent?
Very good. So everyone think about it. क्या आप कभी भी किसी स्ट्रेंजर कौन होता है जिसको आप नहीं जानते, उनके घर में घुस जाओगे विदाउट परमिशन, विदाउट उनसे पूछे? सेकेंड, स्नो वाइट, आपको लगता है स्नो वाइट ने वैसा ही किया था? एंड आपको क्या लगता है ये कंसेंट से रिलेटेड है? बिफोर वी गो टू दैट, कंसेंट कौन बताएगा मुझे? कंसेंट क्या होता है? हमने 2 वीडियोस देखा था, कंसेंट समझा था पूरी क्लास में ऑन मंडे. हु कैन एक्सप्लेन कि कंसेंट क्या होता है? किसको याद है कंसेंट? Only Arsia is raising hand. Why? Shushti is also raising. All right, Muskan. Muskan, can you tell me the meaning of consent? Consent क्या है? हमने 2 वीडियो देखा था.
Yes, I don't know.
Why? वीडियो में क्या देखा था? याद है आपको? आप भी थे प्रेजेंट क्लास में. I don't know answer. I will. Okay, but think. क्या याद है वीडियो से? Okay. Shushti, tell me. शाश्वत. हाँ.
When someone is doing wrong with us and we are not liking that, it is called consent.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Shrishti, for that. So, नहीं, you're not wrong, but you're not right either. So I will explain again. Consent क्या होता है? Asking for permission. Permission लेना. अगर किसी को आपको टच करना है, देन वो आप या फिर हक करना है या हैंडशेक करना है, कुछ भी करना है, तो आपसे पहले परमिशन ले रहे हैं. वो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या मैं आपको हक कर लूं, क्या मैं आपको टच कर लूं. यस. सो वो जो पूछना होता है, परमिशन लेना होता है, उसको कंसेंट बोलते हैं. अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इफ यू आर नॉट लाइकिंग इट, देन यू आर नॉट गिविंग योर कंसेंट. इट इज रॉन्ग एंड यू आर नॉट गिविंग योर कंसेंट. यू हैव टू से नो. मुंह से बोलना पड़ता है नो, या फिर मुंह से बोलना पड़ता है यस. एंड अगर आप नहीं बोल रहे हो, if you are not saying, then that means what? That means you have not given consent. अगर आपने नहीं बोला, that means consent आपने नहीं दिया. Okay, so who's going to answer the third question? Who wants to answer? Khushnuma, would you like to try answering this question? एक एक करके. Would you enter a stranger's house and stay there without permission? बिना पूछे आप किसी अनजान के घर में घुस के वहां रहोगे without permission?
No.
No. आपको लगता है स्नो वाइट ने जो किया उसको करना चाहिए था?
नहीं.
Why not? She was running for her life. Her
Yeah.
stepmother wanted to kill her and she sent her in the forest to get her murdered. उसका मर्डर करने के लिए तो उसको फॉरेस्ट में भेजा था. So she was running in the forest and she was scared. Now, if she was running, she's scared and she saw a cottage and she entered it just to save herself. So why do you think that's wrong? Why do you think that's wrong? It's right. Abhi you were saying it's wrong. Now you're saying it's right. So it's our opinion. Okay? Just say one thing, stick to it. It's not that simple, but think and stick to it. Okay. Muskan, yes, Muskan, tell me. Thank you, Krishnama. Muskan.
मिस जो स्नो वाइट ने किया वो राइट था, क्योंकि उसे बहुत भूख भी लगी थी और वो बहुत टायर्ड भी हो गई थी. तो वो 7 विसल के घर पे गई, तो उसने सही किया.
Okay. So Muskan का opinion है. Muskan's opinion is she was hungry and she was tired. That's why what she did was correct. Thank you so much for sharing, Muskan, your opinion. Thank you for sharing your opinion. Okay. Anyone has a same opinion? किसी और का भी same opinion है? Shrishti, you're raising hand.
Teacher, I think she did right because she do not know that in that cottage who lives. She think that it is empty. That's why she did.
Okay, okay. So Shrishti has an interesting point. So Shrishti thinks, Shrishti is saying that Snow White thought the cottage is empty. So if I go there, it would be okay. So what she did is right. Okay, that's a fair opinion as well. Misbah.
Mansi Didi, my answer is that she is so hungry, tired, and sleepy. And one people is killing him. Then he go in. He go seven. Seven.
Drops.
Huh?
Drops.
Props
House.
house and वो बच गई.
And she was saved. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing that, Misbah. Someone who does not agree. यहाँ पे जो इंसान agree नहीं करता है. They think कि what she did was wrong. Okay, Shashwat and Arsia. First Shashwat go, then Arsia will go. Yes, Shashwat, tell me.
No, miss, I was telling I want to answer.
Yeah, I know. But Shashwat also raised hand. So first Shashwat will share and then Arsia will share. That's what I said. Yes, Shashwat, would you like to share? You were raising your hand.
Miss, I want to answer that. No, that's why. But my answer gave everyone.
Acha, everyone gave your answer. Okay. You have the same opinion. So, Shashwat, you can say, I have the same opinion as what everyone said. Okay, Arsia, share.
I think Snow White did right because she needs some help, so she went there and she helped them also, like cleaning their house, and also when they came, she take permission to live there, and they said to her that you will clean our house and not let anyone come in the house.
Yes. Thank you so much for sharing, Arsia. I agree to all your opinions, but I have a different opinion as well. So there are two things. Okay. So if I think from Snow White's perspective, मैं Snow White के नजरिए से देखूं जो आप सब कर रहे हो, you are looking from Snow White's position. You are thinking Snow White was so hungry, she was so tired, she was sleepy, and she was running for her life. So it's okay if she went in there and she saved herself. Now, so that's great. Now look from Seven Drops ka perspective. How will you look from Seven Drops ka perspective? Put yourself in their shoes. अपने आप को उनकी जगह रख के सोचो. How will you do that? Think आप और आपकी फैमिली बाहर गए हैं. जब आप वापस आते हो, you see someone is sleeping on your bed. कोई आपके घर में घुस गया है ताला वाला तोड़ के and then आपके वहां पे सो रहा है आपके बेड पे. How will you feel now? If it was me, don't answer. You don't have to answer. Just think. If it was me, I would not like it. I would want to help that person. मुझे help करना, मेरे को मैं चाहूंगी उसकी help करना, पर मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि मेरी बिना permission के वो मेरे घर में घुस गए. Because वो मेरा जगह है, मेरी space है. Yes. What if it was a burglar who entered my house? Yeah. So I think Snow White ने जो किया उसके लिए सही था, पर अगर मैं Drops के perspective से देखूं, then I think it was wrong. I feel Snow White should have asked for their permission. Ki, can I stay in your house? First, before entering, she could have stayed near the gate. Door के पास वो बैठ सकती थी, and she would have waited for them to come back home, and then asked them, ki, can I stay? And then they could have decided if they wanted Snow White to stay or not. I know she did it after, but she didn't ask for consent. So I think it's wrong. Now, everyone, it will happen, okay? In life, nothing is right, nothing is wrong. Same चीज कभी सही हो सकते है, कोई किसी के हिसाब से सही हो सकते है, किसी के हिसाब से गलत हो सकते है. It can be right in someone's perspective, wrong in someone else's perspective. Now you need to make the right choice. Think about the other person also. Don't only think about yourself. Think what will other person might want. So always think like that, okay? So this is the entire thing. So I think it was wrong, but this is my opinion. I'm not saying your opinion is wrong. As I said, आज की क्लास में कुछ सही कुछ गलत नहीं है. You have your opinion, I have my opinion. Nothing is right, nothing is wrong. All right, moving on to the next question. Do you think the 7 drops would have supported her if she would not have been fair? अगर स्नो वाइट की स्किन का कलर वाइट नहीं होता, वो तो क्या आपको लगता है 7 ड्रॉप्स ने उसको सपोर्ट किया होता? अगर वो दिखने में she was not beautiful or maybe she was not white, if her skin color was black, do you think 7 drops would have supported her? Yes, Arsia, tell me.
Yeah, I think yes, because they don't mind how they are looking. They need to help. They would like to help her if she was dark colored also, but they are also like her only, and some of them like you like very cute, but they would help.
They would help.
Her.
Okay, thank you, Arsia. So Arsia is saying they would have helped her even if she was of a dark color. Anyone else who thinks separately? Okay, 4 people raising hand. Yes, Zainab and Faisal, tell me.
Teacher, I am telling. Yes, 7 drop is help because we don't think water. नहीं.
हिंदी में बोलो, हिंदी में बोलो.
वो लोग सोचते नहीं है कि कौन ब्यूटीफुल है और कौन बैड लुक है.
ओके, सो ब्यूटीफुल से आपका मतलब है फेयर स्किन.
यस.
ओके, सो ये हमने कल भी डिस्कस किया था, जरूरी नहीं है फेयर स्किन ब्यूटीफुल है कि नहीं है. सो व्हेन वी से फेयर स्किन, लेट्स नॉट यूज द वर्ड ब्यूटीफुल. हम ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड यूज नहीं करते हैं because dark skin can also be beautiful. Okay, but Zainab, I agree to your point. Correct. You are saying कि ठीक है, they would have helped, they would not have thought about the color of the skin. Okay, Raj and Amrita, you are raising hand. Tell me.
If she will not fair, the stepmother don't take out from home.
As in the mother, you're talking about the stepmother.
No.
Okay, say it again then.
Teacher, I can tell Hindi.
Sure, tell me.
अगर वो काली होती तो उसकी स्टेप मदर उसको बाहर नहीं निकालती ना घर से.
हाँ, so you were talking about stepmother only, na? Okay, so you went to the stepmother and you're like, if she was not beautiful, if she was ugly or she was not beautiful, if she was of dark skin, then the mother would not have thrown her out of the house. Maybe, but that's not the question here, Raj. You're right. आप सही बोल रहे हो, but question तो कुछ और है. Question है 7 drops का. क्या 7 drops ने उसकी help की होती? Okay. Who else? Yes, Jayashree, you are raising hand.
The 7 dolls will help her because they are helpful, and as they little thing, everyone should everyone
Yeah.
everyone tease them that they are little. They just ignore that, and I think from that they are helpful and take care of Snow White.
Okay, ठीक है. Thank you so much for sharing. Now I have a question to everyone. Okay. So Jayashree, Muskan, Shrishti are also raising hand. Everyone, 1 second. Now I'm gonna show you pictures. Okay, before I show you something, जब 7 dwarfs ने देखा Snow White को, Snow White was sleeping on the bed, and they said, "What a lovely child." उन्होंने ऐसे सोचा उसको देख के. They have not spoken to Snow White, but they just saw and decided कि we will let her stay. ठीक है, सिर्फ देखने से. Now I'm gonna share my screen. See this person, okay? See this old uncle. Will you help this old uncle अगर वो आपके घर के सामने आए? Will you help? You don't have to say. Now you see this uncle. Now I'm gonna put then there is this person. ठीक है? Though 2 people are standing in front of your house and asking for help. One is this person, he's एकदम smartly dressed, and the other one is this old person that we saw pehle. This old person, yeah? So my question is, will you help both of them? या फिर would you want to help the smartly dressed person first? Or would you want to help the old man who is एकदम dirty सा first? Okay, new hands to go up, new hands to go up. जिसने अभी तक आंसर नहीं दिया है, that person will answer this question. Okay, Sadik is raising hand. Yes, Sadik, tell me.
Old.
Okay, you will help. Why old? Why old person?
Old man.
Okay, old man. But why? क्यों? क्यों आप old person की first help करोगे? Okay, thank you, Sadik. Bindya, tell me.
I will help the old man because if he don't have food, he is hungry. So I can give food to him, and the smart man can get food
Yes.
and have money and
Okay, very good, very good. So Binda is like, I'll help the old person because he might be hungry. He might not have money, but the smart person has money, so he might be, can help himself. Misbah wrote on the chat, both people he will help. I know, Misbah, you're very kind, very sweet. Shashwat wrote, I would help who need more. Shashwat will help the person जिसको ज़्यादा help चाहिए होगी. Smart man can help himself. That's what Shashwat saying. Yes, yes, correct. Yes, Riya, Rahul. What is your opinion?
Teacher,
Yes,
we will
Raj, I
also
saw
help.
it.
Teacher, we will also help both people because the old man would be hungry and he don't have home, so I'll give him food. But sometimes if the young man have some problem, like someone tries to kill him or something happens in his house, so I can help him to for getting food and something if she
Yeah.
wants.
Okay. Thank you, Rahul and Riya. So you're like, what if the young person also need help? Raj, one last person to share. Thank you, Riya. Very important point. I will talk about it in a while. Yes.
teacher, I help old man person because teacher I can tell Hindi.
हाँ.
टीचर जो जवान पर्सन था वो अपने मेहनत की कमाई से भी कमा सकता था, पर जो ओल्ड मैन था उसके पास ताकत नहीं हो सकती.
Okay, so Raj, you are saying, thank you, Raj, you are saying that the young person, Jawan matlab young, the young person can earn because he has energy and strength, but the old person doesn't have strength, so I will help the old person. Okay, now I will flip. I will tell you story of the two people. आप सब ने उनको बाहर से देख के जज कर लिया है. You have made your opinion about how they look from outside. Now I'm telling you. So the old person, he is actually very rich ठीक है, he has a lot of money, but he had gone out and he played in a football court, so that's why he's looking old and he's looking dirty. The young person actually doesn't have anything. He has dressed very nicely by borrowing clothes from his very rich friend, and he's going for an interview, but he also doesn't have any food at home. Now that's their real story. Now does your answer change? Old person say would, so people who said both, good, but people who said only old person, does your answer change? Yeah. So now class, what I'm trying to say is, again, no right, no wrong answer, but I'm telling you, देख के, बाहर से आप देख के मत decide करो. Know that person का story. उसका story कुछ भी हो सकता है. Know उनका story क्या है. Actual में what's going on. Try to find out. Don't look and decide. बाहर से don't judge them. That's what dwarves also did. They know Snow White sleeping because she was white and she looked nice. They trusted her. But what if Snow White was not a nice person? What if she looked very nice from outside, but what if she was very dangerous? Just by looking, don't decide. Looks will not tell you if a person is nice or not. Yes, Misbah, share.
Mansi Didi, Snow White's stepmother is also na?
Say. Complete it.
तो बुरे को क्या बोलते?
Bad. You can say bad. Or evil.
So bad, and she is looking so beautiful.
Very good, very good. Misbah has a very smart point. So Misbah says, Snow White's stepmother, she's evil, she's bad, but she's so beautiful. If Snow White was not there, she was the most prettiest person in the entire kingdom. Very important, but she's not nice. She's bad, she's evil. Of course. Thank you so much for sharing, Misbah. Akshay, you raised your hand. Akshay?
My mistake.
Acha, okay. So always remember, bahar se dekh ke, don't make your opinion. Don't judge someone. Don't make your opinion by looking at them. You will not know what's the story behind that person. Always remember this. Okay. Sharing my screen again. Let's move on to the next question. And this is the last question we will be discussing today. After that, I'll let you go. Okay, everyone on mute. Someone is not on mute. I've told you about that, everyone. You have to be on mute. Come on. All right, Shaurya. Put yourself on mute. Come on. And next time, Shaurya, if you're in class, make sure you're on mute. अगर आप share नहीं कर रहे हो तो. We don't want to hear what's going on in the background. Okay. Who will read the next question? I will only read, you answer. What do you think about Snow White's character? Why did she fall for a stepmother plan every time? Why did she fall for a stepmother's plan every time? Why do you think her character was portrayed like that? Snow White ka character. When I say character, what do I mean? By character, I mean okay, someone is entering. All right. By character, I mean उसकी qualities. ठीक है?
ले बाजार है, इसमें चालू कर लो.
By character, I mean her qualities. So 3 times Snow White की mother tried to kill Snow White. Yes, 3 times she tried to kill, and every time she fell for it. Her bar, she fell for it. As in, her bar. Who's this? Who's not putting themselves on mute? And all 3 times she she listened to the old person or whoever was selling. She didn't use her mind. So दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. एंड थर्ड पॉइंट, व्हाई डू यू थिंक, आपको क्या लगता है कि स्नो वाइट का कैरेक्टर इतना ज्यादा हेल्पलेस दिखाया? ऐसा क्यों था? ओके, मिसबा. यस मिसबा. मिसबा बताओ.
Mansi Didi, I have word. I don't that meaning. Second question in this, what means fell?
Helpless.
No.
अच्छा, read. I've shared my screen again.
Why did she fell for her?
Fall for her. अच्छा, इसका मतलब, ये phrase का मतलब क्या है? वो बार बार से फंस जाती थी ना अपनी स्टेप मदर के प्लान में. सो फॉल मतलब गिरना नहीं है यहाँ पे. फॉल फॉर हर स्टेप मदर्स प्लान. फॉल फॉर द प्लान मतलब प्लान में फंस जाना. बार बार वो फंस जाती थी. 3 बार उसको मारा. फर्स्ट टाइम पे क्या किया? फर्स्ट टाइम क्या किया था? हाउ डिड शी ट्राई टू किल हर फर्स्ट टाइम, स्नो वाइट को? हु रिमेम्बर्स? किसको याद है?
I know.
हाँ बताओ.
She take her army and say in her, yes, you go and kill her कैसे भी करके.
Yes. कैसे भी करके. Anyhow kill her. Huntsman.
उसका हार्ट लाओ.
एंड उसका हार्ट लेकर आओ. यस, हंट्समैन को उसने भेजा. आफ्टर दैट सेकंड टाइम में क्या ट्राई किया?
he go 7 pairs house and in वो अलग उसमें गई, अलग बूढ़े इंसान में.
Yeah, she changed herself into an old person. Yeah.
And she said her, I am so hungry and give me soup. And then he give soup and he don't have. He say, Snow White, you take apple and eat. Then he eat and die.
Yes. So
And
before apple, 2 things happened. First was, I am forgetting the first one. Let me see. So one was with the comb. वो बाल बना रही थी. Then she died. Third was apple. But उससे पहले भी एक और चीज था. Wait. लेस. हाँ, याद आया मुझे. सो द फर्स्ट वन वाज लेस. उसने उसको कपड़े दिए थे एंड कपड़े जब उसने पहने, वो कपड़े ने उसको एकदम टाइट पकड़ लिया, तो शी कुडंट ब्रीथ. देयर वर वैसा वाला. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम. सेकंड टाइम वाज शी गेव हर अ कोम एंड व्हेन शी वाज मेकिंग कोम से उसमें पॉइजन था, दैट्स व्हाई. एंड थर्ड टाइम वाज द एप्पल. ठीक है. सो दीस 3 थिंग्स. एंड उससे सबसे पहला वाला was when she sent her with the huntsman to kill her. ठीक है, correct. So now 4 times. अगर एक बार someone tries to kill you, then उसके बाद में will you not think कि this person can try again? अब बार बार फंसते रहोगे. So that is what I'm asking. Why was Snow White's character shown like that? Snow White का character इतना helpless क्यों दिखाया? That's the question. Yes, Bindya, what do you think?
I don't like her.
Okay, the stepmother doesn't like her. ठीक है, but मेरा question है कि स्नो वाइट का कैरेक्टर इतना what is the word for this? अगर कोई बार बार फॉल करता रहेगा इन अ प्लान, या शी केप्ट फॉल, उसके प्लान में बार बार फंसती गई ना, तो मैं स्नो वाइट का कैरेक्टर को क्या बोलूंगी? सबसे पहले टेल मी द क्वालिटी. व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ स्नो वाइट? इससे क्या पता चल रहा है स्नो वाइट के बारे में? राज, टेल मी. बार बार वो उसके प्लान में फंस गई. ओके, सृष्टि इज रेजिंग हैंड. सृष्टि, टेल मी.
She's a normal girl.
Okay, Bindya says she's a normal girl. Very important words here. Normal girl. वो एक normal लड़की है. Okay, Aryan, what do you think?
विश्वास नहीं कर पाती थी उसके उनको उनके उसको लगता था कि उसकी मम्मी मतलब स्टेप मदर वैसी नहीं है.
Okay. So no, very important point, Aryan. So Aryan says वो विश्वास नहीं कर पाती थी कि उसकी मम्मी ऐसी होगी. Okay, very important point. Yes. Shrishti, tell me, what do you think about Snow White? Snow White के character के बारे में क्या पता चलता है? So we have got normal girl. We have got she was not able to believe that her mother was evil, that her mother would try to kill her. Shrishti, what do you think about Snow White? Zainab, you tell me. You are also raising hand. Zainab, tell me.
Teacher is a character. Is a main character story.
Main character.
Main character in story. That's why her
That's why. Huh. No, she's the main character in the story. That's why.
come home.
Okay, that's why she's always falling for the plan. She's the main character of the story. And story में हमेशा जितनी भी stories हमने पढ़ी है कोई problem में हमेशा फंसता ही जाता है and then someone comes and saves. So you are saying that's why. Very, very important point. So all of you are telling me very important points. I like all the points. Okay, Misbah. Yes, Misbah.
जी दीदी, अगर वो बार बार उसके उसमें फंसती नहीं तो स्टोरी आगे बढ़ती नहीं.
तो स्टोरी आगे नहीं बढ़ती. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यस, स्टोरी आगे नहीं बढ़ती. ओके, थैंक यू. शाश्वत, टेल मी.
She was falling because she was seeing like us.
Can you explain more, Shashwat? She was seeing like us, matlab?
Because when you saw us two pictures of man, we saw the one is rich, poor. That's why.
Okay, she saw that old lady and she thought the old lady needs my help. That's why she fell for it, like us, like how we also thought. Yes, Shashwat, thank you. Rahul and Riya, one last person to share. Then I have to end the class. I will share and then we'll end the class. Huh. Please share quickly. You only have 6 minutes. I can't hear you, Rahul and Riya. All right, I think they're experiencing internet issues. All right. So all of you said story aage nahi badhti because she was the main character of the story, because she was a normal girl, all of these things. Now my question is, I think Snow White was stupid. अगर मेरे को एक बार कोई मारने की कोशिश करता है तो next time पे I will think, I will become smarter, I will not believe easily to everyone. Second time someone tried to kill me, fine, but third time again, and then uske baad fourth time also, like what? Will you not think someone is trying to take your life away? So I think Snow White the character, all that you said is correct. स्टोरी आगे नहीं बढ़ती अगर वो बिलीव नहीं करती. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. बिंदिया सेज नॉर्मल गर्ल. सो गर्ल्स को हमेशा क्या दिखाया जाता है मूवीज में, इन स्टोरीज, दैट गर्ल्स आर स्टूपिड, गर्ल्स ऑलवेज नीड हेल्प. गर्ल्स को हमेशा हेल्प की जरूरत होती है. वो स्टूपिड है, उनको कोई प्रिंस आएगा, कोई बॉय, कोई मैन आएगा उनकी हेल्प करने, वो खुद की नहीं कर सकते हैं हेल्प. लाइक दिस इज व्हाट इज शोन. As Bindya said कि she's a normal girl because यही हमें दिखाते हैं. But does that mean that's correct? Does that mean वो ऐसा दिखाते हैं उसका मतलब क्या वो सही है? I don't think so. For अगर कोई starting में if someone try to kill me, second time I'm not going to believe that person or anyone else for that matter. I would become very, very, on outlook to see and not fall for those things again and again. If ek baar ho gaya, then I will be smart enough to not fall into all of that. And all the girls here know that it is not normal. Normal nahi hai to believe all those things, to be so stupid. It is not normal. And all the girls are powerful. They can save their own self. They don't need some guy or some prince to come and save them. They don't need that. They are strong enough. All the girls out there, you are strong. You don't need someone else to come in and save you. You can save your own self. Just know that. Okay? So be aware. Be aware. Movies में जो दिखाते हैं, जो stories में आप पढ़ते हो, outdated. उस पे सब believe नहीं करते हैं. Just know yourself. Know you are strong enough. You are powerful enough to fight all of that by yourself. You are independent, you are strong, and you are powerful. Okay? With that, 3 minutes to go, I will end today's class. Misbah has something to share. Okay, Misbah, share.
मानसी दीदी, राज आपकी एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं.
राज मेरी एक्टिंग कर रहा है, मुझे दिख रहा है. अभी मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं किया ना, तो I can see. It's okay. I don't care. I don't mind. It's okay, Raj. At least he's listening to me. That's important, na? He should listen to me. That he's doing, so I'm happy. Okay. Girls, what do you think? Are you powerful or you need someone else to save you? Yeah, girls? No girl wants to share. Ria wants to share. Yes, Ria, tell me. Ria, you are raising hand now. Share. Shrishti wrote, we are powerful. Very good, Shrishti. Yes, you are. Okay, Ria, you can type on the chat window because wo chal nahi raha hai. Okay, with this, Khushnuma wrote, we are powerful. Thank you so much, girls. With this, I am ending today's class. Ms. Barot, today class so interesting. It's also interesting. Okay, Rahul and Ria wrote, we are powerful. So thank you so much. You guys can go have a break for 30 minutes. After that, you guys can attend Payal Miss ka class. Tomorrow, will be the last session on this story, on the discussion. After that, we will rewrite the story. हम story दोबारा लिखेंगे. This time, जो भी हमने problems discuss किया story में, वो सब हम change करके लिखेंगे. ठीक है? We will write Snow White again. Raj. All right. Bye-bye, everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow. And make sure you're writing the test. अगर English test नहीं किया तो वो complete करना. Maths ka test I will send by 12. So complete that also. Bye. Take care of yourself.